Have you ever wondered how those machines in detective movies can tell if someone is lying? Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of lie detectors, also known as polygraph tests. These devices have been used by police, government agencies, and even TV shows for decades. But do they really work as well as we think they do? Let's find out together how these mysterious machines actually function and whether it's possible to outsmart them. A polygraph test is basically a fancy machine that watches how your body reacts when you answer questions. The word polygraph means many writings because it records multiple things happening in your body at the same time. When you take the test, you're connected to sensors that monitor different parts of your body while an examiner asks you questions. The machine doesn't actually detect lies directly. Instead, it looks for signs that your body might be stressed or nervous. Think of it like a very sensitive mood ring that can see inside your body. The polygraph machine is like a detective that watches four main clues from your body. First, it measures your heart rate using a blood pressure cuff on your arm. When people get nervous, their heart often beats faster. Second, it tracks how you breathe using tubes around your chest. Stress can make breathing change rhythm. Third, it measures tiny amounts of sweat on your fingertips using metal plates. Even when you can't feel it, your skin produces more moisture when you're anxious. Finally, some machines also watch your blood pressure, which can spike when someone feels uncomfortable or scared. When someone lies, their body often goes into what scientists call the fight or flight response, which is an automatic reaction to danger or stress. This happens because lying can feel scary. You might worry about getting caught or feel guilty about not telling the truth. During this response, your nervous system automatically speeds up your heart, changes your breathing, and makes you sweat more. The polygraph machine is designed to catch these automatic changes that most people can't control on purpose. However, this same stress response can happen for many other reasons too, which is why lie detectors aren't perfect. While the traditional polygraph is the most famous type of lie detector, scientists have invented several other ways to try catching lies. Voice stress analyzers listen to tiny changes in how your voice sounds when you speak, looking for tremors or tension you might not even notice. Eye tracking systems watch where you look and how your pupils change size, since lying sometimes makes people avoid eye contact or causes their pupils to dilate. Some researchers even use brain scans like fMRI machines to look at which parts of your brain light up when you answer questions. Each method tries to find those automatic body responses that happen when people feel stressed about lying. Many people fail lie detector tests even when they're telling the complete truth, and there are several reasons why this happens. Being hooked up to a machine with wires and having someone ask you serious questions is naturally scary, even if you haven't done anything wrong. Some people are just more anxious by nature, so their bodies always show stress signals during any kind of test. The pressure of the situation itself, knowing that the results might affect your job or freedom, can make anyone's heart race and palms sweat. This is why many courts don't accept polygraph results as evidence, because the machine might be detecting fear of the test rather than actual lying. While it's very difficult, some people have found ways to influence polygraph results, though we don't recommend trying to fool these tests. Some techniques involve staying as calm as possible by using deep breathing exercises or meditation to keep your body relaxed throughout the entire test. Others involve physical tricks, like pressing your toes down in your shoes or biting your tongue slightly during control questions to create false stress signals. Mental strategies might include thinking about something completely different or trying to stay emotionally detached from the questions. However, modern polygraph examiners are trained to spot many of these techniques, and attempting to deceive a test can get you in serious trouble. The most important thing to understand about lie detectors is that they're not nearly as accurate as movies and TV shows make them seem. Studies suggest that polygraph tests are wrong somewhere between 10 to 20% of the time, which means they might incorrectly identify 1 or 2 out of every 10 people tested. The results also depend heavily on the skill and judgment of the human examiner who interprets what the machine shows. Because of these limitations, most courts in the United States don't allow polygraph results as evidence in trials. While these machines can be useful tools for investigators, they're definitely not the perfect lie-catching devices that popular culture often portrays them as. What do you think? Would you be nervous taking a lie detector test even if you were telling the truth? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know if you've ever wondered about these mysterious machines. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fascinating topics like this one.